Imagine generating $100,000 in sales with just a few clicks. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover how you can achieve this with Sell the Trend. Welcome to the world of dropshipping success, where finding winning products is just the beginning. Kyle Bradden, a member since 2020, has made over $100,000 using Sell the Trend. He now has tools for video creation, Facebook targeting, and more. Yash Shah, another success story, projects $40,000 in sales by the end of this month thanks to Sell the Trend. Nelson Mariuki closes another month with $10,000 plus in sales, attributing his success to persistence, commitment, and Sell the Trend. So, how does it work? Let's break it down into 4 simple steps. Step 1. Find your dropshipping niche and pick trending products from 83 different popular e-commerce niches. Our predictive AI technology and advanced data analysis help you identify which products are selling now and which are predicted to grow. Stay ahead of the competition with our store intelligence tool, showing you top-selling and recently added products from your competitors. Step 2. Choose the best suppliers for your dropshipping business from our database of 1,193 vendors. Each supplier is ranked by product quality, pricing, communication, and delivery speed, ensuring you get the best match. Managing your store is a breeze with automatic inventory and product information sync with each supplier. Step 3. Create high-performing pages using AI tools to connect with your target audience in seconds. Our Facebook interest targeting tool helps you locate your ideal customers based on demographics and interests. Generate high-quality marketing content instantly with our AI brand builder and other AI tools. Step 4. Build customer satisfaction with one-click fulfillment, ensuring orders are dispatched to suppliers in record time. New orders instantly show up in Sell the Trend and can be forwarded to the correct supplier with one click. Customers receive shipping and tracking information directly to their email, turning happy customers into repeat customers. Integration possibilities are endless, whether you're using Amazon, AliExpress, or CJ Dropshipping. James Beatty, an e-commerce expert, finds 100K winning products through our AI dropshipping technology. Rafael Cintron, a successful dropshipping entrepreneur, praises Sell the Trend for its ease of finding winning products. Chris Wayne, a dropshipping guru, regularly uses Sell the Trend to find $100,000 products. Our all-in-one AI tools simplify store management and product page creation. Optimize images, descriptions, and pricing to increase conversions and list new products within 35 seconds. Auto-synchronize your inventory with suppliers' stock and fulfill orders in one click. Promote and grow your store with our video creator and AI brand builder. Discover worthwhile influencers using our engagement calculator to maximize your marketing budget. Optimize your content for Google search to attract organic traffic and drive consistent, free traffic over time. Get the dropshipping store you always wanted instantly with our built-in website creator, SellShop. Our advanced AI algorithm searches e-commerce stores worldwide, giving you detailed information on 7.32 million products. Compare product success and forecast new products using our predictive AI technology and Nexus research machine. Join the ranks of successful dropshippers today. Try Sell the Trend for free and watch your business grow. Find, sell, succeed.